There is a lot of money in watching videos, guys. Just imagine that if you watch this video right now, someone comes and gives you $5. Now, that's right good thing, guys. So hit that subscribe button and let's go and see how it's done. First of all, guys, this strategy will work if you live in Nigeria, if you live in India, if you live in Philippines, wherever you live, you can get the money, guys, and you can get a lot of money. Trust me, guys, you just have to apply yourself. You have to work for it. And this work will include watching some videos on this very website. You will basically turn your time into money, okay? And apart from videos on cointeply.com, you have nice surveys. You can even play some games. And of course, guys, watching videos. Cointeply, as you can see, has 4.1 out of 5. That's a really good rating, okay? It is a really popular website and people really love this website. Just take a look at these comments. People are really satisfied and you're going to be satisfied as well. Trust me, guys, you're going to be satisfied when you see how much money you can get from this website, okay? And how much, it only depends on you. The more time you invest in this, the more money you're gonna get, so go and get it. You can see here that total users count on this website is 3 million, okay? So that's a lot of users, okay? On this website, that's a lot of users, and they have some nice features. Cointeply features include a loyalty bonus, and if you log in each day, you can boost your loyalty bonus, and you can increase that to 100%, okay? All of your earnings can be increased to 100%. That's a lot of increase, guys. That's a lot of money when you think about it. And just take a look at this. Fast payments is what I like about on this website. Fast payments, you don't have to wait for your money and you can even get some interest on it, okay? So if you leave the money here, you get 5% interest rate on your coin balance, okay? It's a really good thing. You also have 25% for referrals. That's also one more good thing. And the best of all, guys, is that you can do this on your phone even, guys. So Cointeply, you can get it on Google Play. Unfortunately, you can't get it on the App Store, but you can see how well it is rated on Google Play, guys. 4.4 out of 5, and that's a pretty nice rating. Just take a look at this, 500,000 downloads. So a lot of people get a lot of money on this website, and I don't know what's stopping you. If you choose to invest a bit of your time on this website, it'll be worthwhile. Trust me, guys, I made a lot of money on it, and all that you have to do on this website is you have to log in, and then you can just do these various offers. You can do some surveys if you want, complete various tasks, and of course, watch those nasty videos. Okay, guys, so just sign up, complete this simple information about yourself, and go and log in. Of course, guys, if you like our content, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Now, when you log in inside, this is how it's gonna look like, okay? So I know it looks like kind of confusing. It has a lot of colors, but you don't have to worry, guys. This is gonna be pretty simple and it is pretty straightforward, okay? So as soon as you hit this dashboard, just click on Earn Coins and then you can choose whatever you want, guys. There are various ways in which you can make money on this website, so all that you have to do is to choose for yourself. So for example, you can view some PDC ads, you can do various offer walls, you can complete surveys, install mobile apps, and you can of course watch those nice videos. Watching videos is my favorite option, guys. It is a really good thing. Just watch certain videos and they have few partners which you can visit. For example, Jungle Survey, Playtime, Loot TV, Hideout TV, whichever one of these you visit, the more videos you watch, the more money you can get. So for example, let's go with this option, which is Hideout TV. When you click on it, you will be redirected to this page, which is called hideouttv.co, okay? And here you can choose whichever video you want to watch. There are a few very interesting videos on this website, guys. And of course, the more you watch, the more money you're gonna get. So just take a look at this. This is Planet Auto. And here you can see see various crazy automobiles which are really superb, okay? So you can see some flying cars, you can see some flying boats. It is a really good channel, and you can learn a lot as well. And you can have some fun. And for each one of those videos, you get a lot of money. So you can just have fun, and at the same time, you can get a lot of money. So that's a win-win situation, okay? Day is gonna pass, you're gonna watch videos, and you're gonna earn money at the end of it, okay? Of course, whenever you feel like it, you can just go and choose another video. But there is a catch on this Hideout TV, guys, and you can make a lot of money without even watching the entire video. So how this works, actually, no one on Cointeply is gonna ask you what was in the video that you have watched, okay? You won't have to complete any quiz. No one cares if you have watched the entire video, okay? You just have to run it from the start to the beginning. So this means that you can just play certain video and you can go and do something else. For example, you can go and make yourself a lunch, okay? You can go outside. So for example, I suggest that you go and you just choose a video, which is like this one, for example. It's a 31-minute long video, okay? And then you have half an hour for yourself to do whatever you want. Just let this run in the background, and that's gonna get you money. And these videos, which are very long, they get you more money, and that's a win-win situation as well, guys. You don't even have to watch the entire videos. You can just let them run in the background, and that's gonna get you money. That is a really cool option. That is exactly why I love Cointeply.com. It offers you various ways, and you can just get a lot of money. Of course, you can do all of these other ones. For example, offer walls. Surveys are good. You can get $5 for each one of those. Whichever method you choose, just go and do it. But there is, of course, this website as well. This is called superpay.me, and if you scroll down, you will see that you can make extra money online by completing quick surveys, offers, trials, games, and of course videos, guys. So you can just watch videos on this website, and they have fast payment as well as on Cointeply. 8-hour payment promise. 8 hours is all that it takes. As soon as you hit that cash out button, the money is yours. And one more thing on this website that I forgot to mention, guys, just take a look at this. Regular $1,000 cash contests is what they offer. So all that you have to do on this website in order to compete in these is that you have to be active. The more active you are, the more chances you've got to split these 1,000 bucks with other active users on the platform. And that's a really good option, guys. They reward your activity, and there's no such website which does that, okay? Superpay.me is a really good option. And of course, if you want to go on Trustpilot to see how it fares, you will find this 4.6 out of 5, really good rating. A lot of people are satisfied, and you're gonna be as well as soon as you hit the website and see what it's all about. So superpay.me and Cointeply.com, both of these can get you a lot of money. You just have to invest a bit of your time on it, and then you're gonna be profitable, guys. So watch videos, do whatever you want. If you combine both of these websites, that's more money for you. So I highly suggest that you involve yourself, guys. You have to do it. It won't come on its own. So just take some action, guys, and I will catch you later.